My name's Matthew. Let's do a bit of Katy Perry and Firework. Not the easiest song to do, but bear with me. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, where one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried, deep but under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know where there's still a chance for you to spark the new? You just ignite the light and let it shine. Just hold the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. They can go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let 'em go. Let's burst. Make 'em go You gotta live 'em all. You don't have to feel like you wasted space. Your original cannot be replaced. If only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes like a rainbow. And the reasons why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you into the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You should ignite the light, and let it shine. Just hold the night like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. They can go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let 'em call us bells. They can go You can live and win 'em all. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it go through. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Baby, can go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, firework. Come on, let 'em call us burst. They can go You gotta leave them all in all. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Well, that was an interesting song, wasn't it?